are live! Hello mga kakwento! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good afternoon here sa Pinas, good evening sa Canada, wherever you are tuning in. To those who are watching or will watch the replay later, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real for life, change, and growth. One coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lur business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So today, we will be joined by someone special. She's a wife, a mom, and an activity worker for seniors, an event coordinator in her church community, and on top of that, she's also a proud digital business owner. So imagine juggling all these roles and still creating a life of balance and purpose. She's based in a beautiful British Columbia, Canada, but originally from Cavite, Philippines. So let's all welcome Shirley. I will add her to stage. Hello, Shirley.
Hi!
Kamusta?
Mabuti po. Hola, hola everyone. Good evening to my side.
Yes. Oh, good evening. Yes, good evening sa iyo. Good afternoon sa Pilipinas. So,
Uh-huh.
I'll go to my first question. Can you share a bit of your journey from Cavite to Canada, and how did life bring you there, and what's life like for you and your family now?
Yeah. Pwede ba mag-Tagalog?
Yes, pwede.
Yeah, I really miss talking sometimes in Tagalog. I'm from Laking, Cavite. How can I? No, actually, I'm grateful I was able to sponsor by my husband to come here in Canada. So my life in Cavite, Philippines is just ordinary person like working in a private school as executive secretary in a private school. And yeah, I love what I'm doing ever since whatever I'm doing. But yeah, I'm so grateful my husband able to sponsor me here in British Columbia, Canada.
Oh, thank you. And for my second question, you are already so busy as a mom,
Mm-hmm.
wife, activity worker, and even an event coordinator. O, di ba, ang dami. You're wearing a lot of hats. So what inspired you to start this digital business on top of everything?
You know, Laura, alam mo, I really enjoy being an activity worker. Nakakataba really ng puso to serve and bring joy sa mga seniors. Every day I get to make someone's day, a little bit brighter, and I love that feeling. Pero kahit gaano ko kagustuhan yung trabaho ko, na-realize ko rin na what if there was a way to build something for my family's future habang nandito pa ako. Kasama sila, right? At hindi kailangan na mag-compromise sa trabaho ko. Yung inspiration ko talaga ay ang pamilya ko after there's a behind story, the health challenges ng aking asawa. Seeing how life can change in an instant, I knew I needed something flexible, sustainable at makakapagbigay ng extra income. So I wanted to find a way to earn while still being present for my loved ones. Kaya, yun, makita ko itong digital pieces, nakita ko na it's more than just a side hustle. You know, flexibility, financial freedom, personal growth, and community.
Yes, that's inspiring, no? We really unable to predict ano talaga mangyayari in our future, 'di ba?
Yeah.
So habang meron tayong oras, gawin na natin yung mga bagay na pwede nating gawin. So
Correct.
for me as an OFW, hindi guarantee na meron kang trabaho, 'di ba? Pwede kang
Mhm.
ma-lay off, pwede kang mawalan ng work pass, katulad ko nawalan ako
Yeah.
ng work pass. Pwede kang
Mhm.
magkasakit na wag naman sana, 'di ba? Pero
Mhm.
hindi natin kasi kayang kontrolin yung mga bagay na ganyan. Pero
Yeah.
we can control yung time na pwede nating i-spend sa mapagkakakitaan kesa scroll lang tayo 'di ba
Correct.
sa social media na hindi naman napagkakakitaan. So thank
Yeah.
you for that, Shirley. For my third question, when you first discovered this business, what were your initial thoughts? Do you have hesitations or doubts?
That's normal actually. So talaga nung una kong makita tong business, to be honest, I was curious, but at the same time, of course may doubts talaga, right? Because I thought, is this is for real? Ano ba talaga to? Gagana ba to? Pero habang nag-research ako at nakinig sa mga success stories ng ibang tao, na-realize ko naman na legit pala ito at backed with proper training and support. So, syempre, normal lang talaga na may hesitation kasumpisa, lalo na kung something new at unfamiliar. Pero, ang na-appreciate ko is hindi ka nila hinayaan na mag-isa, our community. May guidance, may mentorship. And I saw that even someone like me na full-time sa ibang trabaho could actually make this work. So, kahit may doubts ako sa simula, ang excitement ko na maka-achieve yung flexibility at extra income para sa pamilya ko, yun ang nag-encourage sa akin na give it a try.
Yes, totoo, 'di ba? Kung talagang malaki yung dream natin for ourselves and for our family and for our community, gusto nating makatulong, 'di ba? Talagang gagawa tayo ng paraan kahit at first we're scared, we're skeptical,
Yes.
we have a lot of fears kasi hindi natin alam ano ba 'to, totoo ba 'to? Pero 'di ba,
Mhm.
once you are inside the community, you will see the real people, successful people na talagang they work hard para ma-attain nila yung mga milestones nila, 'di ba? And
Yes, that's true.
yun yung maganda sa community natin. We're not alone. Kaya pwede nila tayong turuan kahit hindi tulad nating dalawa, we're not financially
I
connected. Pero
know.
through this business, we are supporting each other, 'di ba? That's why we are
Yeah.
inspiring others. We are here, nag-go live kami para mas ma-inform namin yung mga right people na merong ding right mindset para makapag-start sila ng
Yes.
business.
And we are
Thank you
real
for that,
people.
Shirley.
Yeah, and we are real people here. We are not AI, right? We are real people.
Yes, totoong
Yeah.
tao tayo, 'di ba?
Yeah.
So how do you manage your time between your work, family, church, and running the business? Any tips para dun sa mga moms who feel overwhelmed?
I know, right? So, alam mo, as a mom talaga, as a wife, working full-time as an activity worker, and also running this digital business while being involved sa church din, ang dami talaga ng responsibilities na kailangan i-balance. So, of course, at first, honestly, overwhelming siya. May time na feeling ko, how will I manage all of this? Pero natutunan ko na time management and prioritization, you have to prioritize talaga ang susi. That's the key. You have a good time management and priority things. So, una, of course, I plan my day ahead. So, may routine ako na sinusunod. Of course, gising ka, be grateful, gratitude, right? Family time, work, business tasks, and some time for myself too, right? So, I use simple tools like planner, phone calendar para makita ko lahat ng task ko at hindi ako nalilito. Kasi, yeah, I have to focus also on my high priority tasks. Hindi lahat ng bagay urgent. Kaya, I separate talaga what's important from what can makakapaghintay, right? So, this really helps reduce stress and prevent burnout. Number three po, I delegate and ask for help. So, when needed. So, sa family and in church activities, right? So I try to share responsibilities also in my business. So because I follow the system that allows automation and support. So hindi ko kailangan gawin lahat na mag-isa. So yeah, lastly, I always remind myself to take a small breaks and practice self-care. Kahit 10 to 15 minutes lang of walking, stretching, or of course, praying, nakakatulong talaga na ma-refresh at ma-energize ako para sa next task. So, yeah.
Wow, that's truly amazing. Lahat naman tayo, 'di ba? All of us have 24 hours. So
Yeah.
nasa atin na kung how we will manage to use that 24 hours sa mga bagay na kapaki-pakinabang at
Mhm.
mag-grow tayo as a person, 'di ba? Thank you so much for that. It's
You're
really
welcome.
amazing, Shirley. For my fifth question, what are the top three blessings or positive changes you've experienced since starting this digital business?
Yes, since I started this digital business, oh man, sobrang grateful ako sa mga blessings at positive changes na experience ko. ito yung top 3 na pinaka-feel ko sa sarili ko. So of course, number 1, flexibility. Ang saya na I can manage my own schedule. Before bilang isang activity worker, you have to set hours, right? So nakakamiss talaga yung important moments with my daughter or husband. So ngayon, I can choose when to focus on my business tasks. So when to spend time with my family and even when to take care of myself. So it's a blessing na hindi ko na kailangan piliin yung isang over the other. So yeah, I used to work full-time. Now I transition to part-time. Number 2, extra income, of course, right? And financial freedom. So
Yes.
this business gave me additional income na sobrang nakatulong sa household at sa mga future plans namin. Hindi lang siya pang extra gastos talaga. Nagsimula rin siya na mag-build ng security para sa family namin. Ngayon, I feel less stressed about finances, and it's amazing to know na unti-unti we are creating a better future, not just for me, but for sa aking anak as well, right? So, yeah. Number 3, my personal growth and community. We just been telling about our amazing community. So one of the biggest surprises for me is how much I've grown up as a person. Oh, grabe. Super mahihain ako. Nobody can believe me now. No, what? You're so mahihain. No. I've learned new skills, discover my potential and, meet amazing people like you who support and
Thank
inspire
you.
me. So being part of the community na may parehong goals, and values make this journey even more meaningful. So I feel empowered knowing that while I grow, I can also help others achieve their dreams. So sa totoo lang, these 3 blessings remind me every day kung bakit I started this business, to be more present for my family, of course, right? To secure our future and to keep growing while making a positive impact to others. Yeah.
Wow, lahat ng sinabi mo, that's really wonderful. 'Di ba? Dito sa community natin, yun din yung gusto ko kasi you will not be alone. Marami kang mamimit. Even nga yung mga cousins mo na hindi mo alam na cousin.
I
I
know,
met one
right?
na cousin ko, si Mary Ann Salas. So cousin ko
Uh-huh.
pala siya from Sambales kasi from Sambales yung father side ko. So we didn't know na mag-cousin kami. Ayun, 'di ba
Mm.
nakakatuwa? And also yung natutunan ko dito sa business na to when I started doing the training, unang-uni
Mhm.
talaga yung gratitude. Yung
Yes.
everyday when you wake up, you need to be thankful even for simple things. Yun talaga yung unang-una kong natutunan.
Yes.
And
Uh-huh.
also yung personal growth. And
Yes.
if you are surrounded by people who are dreamers and doers, talagang encourage ka talaga na gawin mo yung best mo para maging
Yes.
successful ka in life and also to help others, 'di ba? Sobrang thank you for that, Shirley.
You're welcome.
For our viewers who are watching or will watch the replay later, if you can resonate with Shirley's story or my story, you can direct message us or comment below or check out our website displayed on screen. So going
Yes.
back to my sixth question, looking ahead, what's your
Mhm.
vision for your family and your future because of this business?
Love it, love it, love it, that question. Looking ahead, my vision for my family and, future because of this business is really exciting. Kasi una sa lahat, I want to create a life where we have freedom and flexibility. Freedom to spend time together, travel, celebrate milestone, and just enjoy life without being restricted by work schedule or financial worries. So, secondly, I want to build, of course, it's normal, right? Financial security and legacy for my family. So this really business gives me the opportunity to earn extra income while also building something sustainable, na pwede kong ipasa sa aking anak in the future. It's not just about today, it's about making sure that she has options and solid foundation for her dreams too. So, syempre, part of my vision is personal growth and impact. I want to continue learning, growing, and inspiring others, especially others, mom, like me, like us, right? Na pwede rin magkaroon ng chance to improve their lives while being present for their family. So, I want to show that it's possible to balance family, work, and building a business.
That's beautiful. Talaga naman, 'di ba, yung vision natin because we have seen a lot of successful people dito sa business. So ano ba yung ginawa nila? They stay consistent, they show up. So
Yes.
every day they will show up, they will attend the trainings, the courses, the masterminds, 'di ba? Lahat ng pwede mong gawin to be successful. And yun naman talaga yung pupuntahan natin. We will be successful lalo na't we are guided by our community, our loving community, and very supportive community. And
Amen.
also,
Yeah.
it's not just yung impact na pwede nating maibigay sa community natin, 'di ba? We can also leave a legacy para sa mga anak natin kasi
Yes.
our kids can still continue this business even wala na tayo, 'di ba? Pagka kinuha na tayo ni Lord.
Mhm.
So, wag naman muna ngayon kasi
Yeah.
this business is not a quick rich scheme. So,
Yes.
hindi instant na bukas nagtanim ka ngayon, bukas meron ka ng
Uh-huh.
puno.
Yes.
Namumunga na at makakain mo na yung bunga na yon. So, it's
Yeah.
not. Hindi siya overnight success. So,
Mhm.
success takes time. 'Di
Yes.
ba? And
Yeah.
consistency, kailangan lang talaga be consistent and give your time and effort para yung vision natin for this business makita natin, 'di ba? And matupad yung whatever yung mga whys natin, bakit natin ginagawa tong business na to. Thank you for
Yes.
that, Shirley.
You're
Then for
welcome.
my last question, what message can you give to moms, OFWs, or anyone watching who feels stuck in the routine but is curious about starting something new?
Yeah, of course, of course. Yeah, yeah. You just mentioned this is not a get rich quick scheme. You still have to work, of course. This is our business, but you never work alone. So, yeah, lastly sa lahat ng mga moms, I know, OFWs or kahit sino na nanonood ngayon na feeling stuck sa routine, guys, I just want to say this. Normal lang, no, normal lang naman talaga na may doubts ka at pakiramdam na parang paulit-ulit na lang ang buhay, right? Pero minsan kailangan lang natin ng opportunity na magbukas ng bagong chapter sa buhay natin, you know? Guys, if you are curious about starting something new, like this digital business, huwag mo hayaan yung takot mo o duda na pumigil sa'yo. Just take small steps, explore the possibilities, and see kung paano ito pwede mag-fit sa lifestyle mo. Isa sa pinakamagandang bagay sa business na ito ay pwede mo siyang gawin kahit kasama mo pa ang pamilya mo. Hindi mo kailangan i-sacrifice ang time mo with them. Tandaan mo rin, hindi mo kailangan gawin lahat mag-isa. May support, mentorship, at system na pwede mong sundan para guided ka sa journey mo. Hindi perfect agad ang simula, pero bawat step mo, malapit ka sa goal mo. So, yeah, be brave to try, be open to learn, and give yourself the chance na makita ang potential mo. Kasi kung si Lori nagawa ito, I know you can too. Just reach out. All right? Thank you.
Grabe, what an inspiring conversation today, 'di ba? Thank you so much, Shirley, for sharing your heart and journey with us. Ang daming lessons that we can all take away about courage, balance, and creating a life we truly want.
Yes.
Okay. I'm checking our viewers. So, sa mga manunood later ng aming replay, sa mga kakwento, if you are inspired by Shirley's story, don't let fear stop you. Sometimes, all it takes is one small step to change the
Yes.
direction of your life. Thank you
Mhm.
so much, Shirley. So, thank you for spending your time with us
You're
today, mga
welcome.
kakwento. Thank you, Shirley. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities. Thank you for the love, Lionel as Akasho. Thank you for watching. So
Thank
let's
you.
continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee. Bring your dreams and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. If you are curious or you want to learn more, you can direct message us or sign up on our website. For me, it's www.loryramos.com. For Shirley, it's www.shirleychipics.com. So thank you so much. Good day and God bless us all.
God bless.
Bye-bye.
Bye.